Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video, I am going to show you how we can install Python on Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, we can open a browser and here we can type Python and we need to click on the first link which appears, like we can click on this one, and here you can see there is a download option. Here you can see this is the latest, and by now this is the latest version of Python, like 3.13.0. Now we can click on this link and we can scroll down, and here we can see these are the Windows installer. So we can click on the appropriate installer for as per our operating system. Like mine is 64 bit, and you can save it low. So once you click this, like it will start downloading the uh, Python setup. So I have already installed this here just to save our time. So let me open that. So here is our installer. Now once we click on that, like it has launched the setup. Now it has options like to install the Python. We can go for install now or customize installation, and you can see at the below we have two check boxes. Like we can select these check boxes. Like first one is use admin privileges when installing py.exe, like it is giving the admin privileges while installing our Python. And next one is add python.exe to path, like it is adding python.exe to our environment path variable. Now we can select on this option, like which is install now, and go ahead. Now it has started the setup. Now the setup is in progress now, so we will wait till it completes. So it is taking a bit longer time than expected, so it is about to complete. You need to wait till it completes. Fine. So you can see the setup was successful. Seems good. Now what we can do, like we can close the setup. So here if you see the maximum length related option, then you can click on that, so that it will you can click on that, and after that, like you will see this message. Right now it is not coming. Seems good, like our setup was successful. Now we can close this window. Fine. Seems good. Now here now we can go back to our Windows folder, and here we can see apps, all apps. Inside that we need to go P series Python. Here is our P. Seems good. Now here we can see we have this Python is installed. Now if you expand this folder, we can see we have various options like idle. It is a shell, Python shell. And this is the Python 3.13, which is a utility, and these are some other option folders like files as well. Fine. So here we can try with this Python utility first. Now we can check. Now Python, like, it has its own interpreter, so it will execute code line by line. So here we can, like, Python is like a high level and general purpose programming language. It is very much similar to the English language, and it does not have any complex syntax like other languages. Like if you want to print something, we can simply say welcome to Python, and we can add it, put it inside the print, and we can enter. Now you can see it has executed the line. Seems good. Now if you want to do kind of addition like 1 plus 2, it will print the number of the addition. So it is very simple in terms of learning as well. So if you want to do it line in our Java like addition, we need to first define the variable like int I is equal to 1 or 2, and then we need to define some other variable which we want to add, and finally we need to define one variable to total, and all this overhead is not here. Like you can see, the moment we add one assign one number to the variable, that will get automatically assigned to that particular type. So this is about the Python utility. Now let us check the other option as well. Now we can check with the shell. So here is our Python folder. Seems good. Now here, this is the idle. Fine. Now it has some different UI. Like here, we can print something like Python, the most popular language, and we can complete. Now let us check. Now you can see it is executing the same like this one, but here it has some color palette and all, so it looks interactive, and it looks better than the earlier prompt as such. Seems good. Now here we have various options like file, edit, shell, debug, and all. If you want to create any file, you can click on file and click on new file, and here you can add this whatever you want to add in a file. So this is our file. Fine, seems good. Let's say if you want to change it. Now here we can see if you want to run it, we have this option. We can run it simply, and we can click on run and run module, and okay, save. Now here let me save this file to desktop. Let me create one new folder. Here let's say Python file. Seems good. And here we can name this file like, let's say, test, and we can save it. Seems good. Now you can see it has printed the text what we have entered in, saved into the file. Okay, so this is about the idle shell. We have seen the how we can execute the statements using this idle shell, and we can create a file. Now one more thing we can check, like, let's say we can open the file where we have created that py file, like a Python file. Now that is in our desktop. Now let me open the desktop. Okay, so here this is the py file. Now this is our test.py. Now what we can do, we can open in terminal. Seems good. Now it has opened a Windows PowerShell. Now here we can type Python, and it will show us the Python version and all which we have installed. Now here we can use command like Python, and we can give the file name like test.py, So what is the test.py? So it is giving the invalid syntax as such. So this is the file. Okay, let us check. So okay, so let me come back from it here, and let me go back again, like run terminal, open terminal, and here we can run, like we can use this from here itself, python, and we can say test.py. Seems good. You can see it has printed the text which we have added in our py test.py, and we can open in file. Seems good. This is the same we have printed in our Windows PowerShell. Seems good. With this we are done with our setup, and I have shown you various ways we can execute the like statements through commands, as well as we can create one file and execute that. And so we are done with that. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe the same.